Hello everyone. So in my previous videos of exception handling, we are done with the meaning of try, meaning of accept, meaning of finally and everything. So now in my today's video, we will talk about the nested try, accept and finally block. So obviously now what is the meaning of nested? That means you write try, accept and finally block inside the try block. That means try inside of try. So we'll write the example quickly for this. Suppose we have a try and print and I am writing main. Okay, just one message and then it is a main. Then I am writing one more try. So that is try inside of try and I am writing print inside. Okay, and I'm done with that only one line of a code. And here I will write accept also. And suppose if it is accept 0 division error. Okay, so print error inside block or error inside. That's nothing else. Error inside. Okay, so done, and then we will write finally, and again print, and we will write inside finally. So what I have written over here is try, accept and finally all three are inside of our main try. Okay, and now I am going to write accept for this. So accept, and I will write just common only it is. Okay, so I will write accept and enter, print, and I will write it is error in main block. So I will write error main, and then I will write finally, and I will write print main finally. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so I'm done with my code and control S. So you all can see this is our main try, and for this try we have this accept, and then we have one finally also, and inside of try we have try, accept and final. So now we'll check out the output of this. See, main, inside finally and main finally, 4 output. Why? See, it will start from here, 100% will print this. Then it will start from here, 100% will print this. So 2 output done. As you all can see, there is no error. So obviously it will skip this part. Okay, but it will print finally because it is already inside of this. So it will print finally, and this will be your third output. And again in your main try, there is no error. So obviously it will skip except of this also. And it will print this fourth output, that is what main finally. So this is actually one of the case. Okay, now we will change just the minor change, that for example in my main try statement, that means here actually print 10 divide by 0. Okay, so first of all obviously it will start from here, it will print main, first output you will get, and because of this obviously it will jump to which accept this one, and it will print error main, and it will print finally. It was not inside of this section. Okay, so let us check the output of this also. See, main, error of that main and finally of main, only 3 output. So this is also one of the case. Okay, let us check one more example, that now the exception statement is not in the main try actually. Okay, it is somewhere over here, that is in the inside we have a error. So obviously it will print this for sure, it will print this for sure. Here exception is there, it will jump to this part, and then it will print inside, And as in the main try we do not have any error or exception, so it will skip this part, but it will print your finally main final. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Main, inside, error inside, inside finally, and then main finally. And now one more case, okay, that will be actually last case actually. That suppose here instead of zero division error, if it is a name error, okay, then what it will print? Let us check the output of this. See, still it is printing what main and inside. But then it is not printing error inside because we have not handled, but it is printing inside finally, that is for sure. Now why it is printing error main? Because this exception is common. It will accept any kind of error, any. So obviously the inner exception, that means I am talking about this part, this except block, obviously what you can say, it not handle the error of that 10 divided by 0. That's why it is now going to jump to this except block, and then it will jump to main finally. So these are some of the cases what you can say that you can try for nested, actually nested try except and finally block. In my next video I'm going to cover one more topic, that is based on else block. Okay, so try, except, else and finally, all four. Okay, and then in my last video we'll talk about the custom exception. Okay, custom means user defined exception. Okay, so till now, till here, only the nested concept. Thank you everyone.